Salvete discipili. Welcome to How Did Romans Designate the Year? We've already talked about how Romans figured out the days of the month, so now we need to talk about the year. What's the year? Romans determined this in two ways. The first is with words. Romans designated years by the names of the consuls. As you know, consuls were elected every year. These names were placed in the ablative case. Antonio et Cicerone consulibus equals 63 BCE, indicating the year that Antonius and Cicero were consuls of Rome. But they also calculated with numbers. They counted years from ab urbe condita, or AUC, the founding of the city. So how do you take a Roman year to a modern year? If the AUC date is 753 or less, subtract it from 754, and you will obtain a BCE date. Here's an example. 691 AUC is less than 753. So 754 minus 691 will get you 63 BCE, the same year as the consulship of Antonius and Cicero. If the AUC date is 754 or greater, subtract 753 from it, and you'll obtain a CE date. Nota bene, I'm using before Common Era for BC and Common Era for AD. Here's an example of that. 833 AUC is greater than 754. So 833 minus 753 gives you 80 CE. How about taking a modern year to a Roman year? If the year is BCE, subtract it from 754. So 754 minus 63 BCE will equal 691 AUC. If the year is CE, add from 753. 753 plus 80 CE will equal 833 AUC. Most often we will calculate our dates into AUC. Try exercise 36C on page 91 of your textbook. Be sure to include the year for 1 and 2. The foundation of Rome is actually 753, so you don't have to do any math there. Also, try writing the AUC in Roman numerals. Valete!